Hey folks, David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. In this video, we're going to take a look at a day trading strategy known as gap trading. And what I do is I teach a course at LazyGapTrader.com, and I also provide my gap trades each and every morning for subscribers that want them. So this morning, we're going to take a look at the two gap trades that were sent out to subscribers at 9 a.m. before the market even opened for the day. 30 minutes before the open. As you can see here, we had two potential gap trades this morning. One was in Taser International. I say gap lower. Support levels are 24.93 and 23.81. Stop and profit target is about 20 to 35 cents. On the second one, Tesla, TSLA, it was a gap higher. So I say resistance levels are $215.04 and $220.14. Stop and profit target is about 90 cents to $1.50. So let's go and take a look at what happened in both these stocks this morning. You can see here we're looking at a daily chart of Tesla, and the first purple line running across the screen is at $215.04. And you can see here that the stock pierced through that level by just a little bit and backed off. But let's take a look at a shorter time frame and look what happened almost in real time. So here's a 5-minute chart, and you can see here, here's where the stock closed the other day, Friday, and we were gapping higher at the open. In my course at Lazy Gap Trader, I teach students, I teach traders how to identify the level where a stock is likely to have a price reaction in the other direction. In this case, a very good resistance point where the stock is likely to pull back from. So as you can see, the $215.04 level was given out at 9 o'clock this morning, long before the market even opened. And you can see here when the stock traded up to this level, we pierced through it by just a little bit, making a high of $215.67, well within our stop loss or recommended stop loss limitation. And you can see here, just a few minutes later, the stock was already at a low of $212.22, and it's still kind of drifting lower throughout the remainder of the day. So that was basically almost a $3 gain in less than an hour's worth of trading, but also note that even quicker than that, you were still in a nice profit immediately upon entry in the stock. So that was another profitable trade using my morning gap trading methodology on Tesla. Let's look at the second stock that was given out this morning, which was Taser, also noted in the email. Here's also a 5-minute chart of Taser, and as you can see, if remember from the email, we gave a number of $24.93, and you can see here in this candle, the stock hit a low of $24.93, making a high just a couple of minutes later of $25.24. And what this is meant to show you is the power of these levels that I teach traders how to calculate and get for themselves each and every day. If you can calculate a level where the stock is likely to have a price reaction in the other direction, whether the stock is falling off a gap lower or rising off a gap higher, either way, we're looking to find that support level or to find that resistance level. Look here on Taser. Just the other day, on Friday, the stock closed on September 30th. The closing price was $28.60, and the stock is gapping down tremendously at the open, and we're able to identify to the penny where that stock is likely to have a price reaction in the other direction. This is what I teach in my course at LazyGapTrader.com. I teach you how to do this for yourself through the course, and I also provide traders the opportunity to get my gap levels each and every day through an email that gets sent out about 9 a.m. in the morning, long before the market even opens. So come to LazyGapTrader.com, check out the course. This is a license to be successful each and every day trading the markets. I'm David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com. Come check out the course, folks. It's a wonderful opportunity to get your day trading pointed in the right direction. David Frost, LazyGapTrader.com.